Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Itzel, and you?
My name is Karen.
Nice to meet you, Karen. Karen, what are you two studying?
I am studying psychology.
How interesting. I would love to study the same thing.
Oh, really?
Yes, where do you study?
I am studying in Vizcaya de las Américas.
Great. I plan to study there.
Seriously?
Yes, and what is your favorite subject?
Deep psychology.
Why is it your favorite?
Because it is very interesting and covered on point beyond.
Sounds interesting. Conversation too. Hi, Karen. What are you doing?
Hi Excel, I am preparing my suitcase.
Oh, that's nice. So where are you doing?
I am on vacation with me to Mexico City.
And what do you plan to do in Mexico?
Yes, we plan to visit Chapultepec Park and Bellas Artes and Tepito.
Do you have relatives there?
Yes, my uncles and cousin live there on my mother's behalf.
That's interesting. Do you like amusement parks?
No, I am done. It it is so ridiculous and artificial.
Hmm. And what do you think about Mexico City?
Mexico City is okay. It is a big city with people from all over the world.
You're right. It is an overcrowded city with a lot for insecurity. And do you enjoy living in Mexico City?
Not really. For the same reason that it's a very overpopulated city. Another reason is that it still have many things to close in my city.
You're right. Sometimes we can decide use on impulse. By the way, what do you like Mexican food?
Yes, I do. I love the chile rellenos, pozole, and tamales.
Just like me, I love great pozole and the shepherd's.
And yes, I am happy to hear that. We'll be agreeing because of the taste and meal in meal.
Do you want to go have some dinner now?
Yes, I was craving some tacos al pastor.
I know, I place around the corner that delicious tacos.
Okay, but first I want to finish my suitcase.
Yes, is there here. Let's go in.
Shepherds, tacos, roast carnitas, and burritos and nachos.
I want some nachos. And you?
I want some burritos.
To take, there is horchata, Jamaica, tamarindo, and coca.
I want horchata.
I don't agree. I want to Jamaica.
Everyone with their taste.
When are when are you going on a trip?
The next week,
I'm happy for you. It's look like you want this trip.
yes, I need a vacation.
If some Thai arrest is good.
You're right.